What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today, from the intro, as you can see, I'm messing around with some bulbs. I got a lot of work to do right here on my boy Abomination. Guys, this is a 2021 Ram 2500. Thing is all it's powerful, but guess what? Even it's a 2021, guess what? They still send these things out with yellow freaking halogen bulbs, and I don't even understand that. But big shouts to my sponsor LASFIT. They sent me a number of bulbs here, but the one I'm messing around today with is these. Okay, these are the LCair LED lighting bulbs. These are 3,000 lumens a piece, and these are H11 bulbs. They're gonna be for my fog lights, and all it is plug and play with built-in canvas systems. The rest of the bulbs, I'm gonna go over that in a little later of a video. There's some bulbs that are inside. There's a couple for those yellow lights right there for my bed lights, but that I'll handle in a different series. But anyway, so just as you saw from the intro, if you take a look at this, now these bulbs are pretty easy to install. They're not that hard. And sorry for the noise. I got the truck running because I want to show you how these lights are. Look at the headlights, yellow, and look at the fog lights, still yellow. So I'm going to show you how to change this. All right, guys, let me show you something. I literally just reached up under here and just turn the, you're going to feel the fog light. You turn it counterclockwise and just let it hang. Let me shut down the truck and shut the lights off so the bulbs can cool a little bit, because you definitely don't want to be messing around with hot ass bulbs for no damn reason. And here's the cool thing. In the box, guess what? They give you these set of freaking gloves. So now you could be just as cool as freaking Michael Jackson. All right, guys, so this is right on the front bumper. Okay, you can see the bulb hanging here that I took off. Okay, let me show you this without the gloves. So pretty much this is in here. This is in here like so. And that's how it is. So all you got to do is literally turn counterclockwise, take it out. Okay, and if you notice that red clip right there, that's a safety clip, so you got to pull that away. Okay, got it. So you see that little red, this little red dot right here, that part of the red clip, you gotta pry it upward a little bit like this. You gotta put your nail like under it and just slightly lift it, and then this one is gonna go back. I'm literally doing it at one hand. Now once you slide that back, now you can press the back of it like so to release the bulb, and then you plug the other one in. Okay, so I got the new bulb right here. Plug this bad boy in. Fit perfectly. And then slide the lock back, so we're good. As you can see, the bulbs, as I said, 3,000 lumens a piece, and they have their own cooling fans, built-in canvas system, so you don't necessarily have to worry about anything. Put the bulbs up in here now. There you go. That was straight. And that gasket is perfect. And that's it. Now on the outside, look at that. You see the chipsets are to the side of the bulb. That's exactly, so that bulb is literally nice and vertical. I like that. And that's it. Let's compare it real quick. Turn the light on. So you got nice and yellow right here. And we got 6,500K brightness. My God, this shit is bright. Look at the difference. Night and day. I'll definitely show you this stuff at night, so don't worry about it. So let me just go swap the other side real quick. All right, guys, the install is complete. I'm not gonna lie, those gloves definitely came in handy. They're super light and thin, so you can really maneuver your hands in there. And it just saved me a lot of dirt, I guess, under my fingernail. But let's turn on these lights real quick and check it out. As I said before, It's 3,000 lumens a piece, so 6,000 for the pair. They're 30 watts each. That's a pretty powerful bulb. 30 watts on an LED bulb, it's pretty powerful. And no error codes whatsoever. Let's try them on. Damn, you could just see it. You could just see it from around the corner. That boy is freaking bright. Definitely a huge difference. Huge difference. I'll give you a shot at night. I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys. So I pretty much got the parking lights on, but even it's pretty much like a step down version. So I'm about to flick on these fog lights so you can see. So let's check this out real quick. Look how bright those fog lights are. Insane. That's really, really bright. And now they're the same color as my headlights. I actually did my headlights today from a different brand, but they're both 6500K white. Looks pretty damn good. And the headlights are not even, they're on, but like in the running light mode, like in the parking light mode, so it's not at full power. But look how beautiful these fog lights are. Nice and white, just like the headlights, and not freaking yellow anymore. That yellow stuff is a little bit of an annoyance. But anyway, guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. LASFIT, thank you so much for sending me these bulbs. Guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.